A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to Narana Live Classes. I'm here with a new assignment related to the chapter A Game of Chance. The words given against the sentences below can be used both as nouns and verbs. Use them appropriately to fill in the blanks. Few words are given here in front of the sentences, which we can use as a noun or as a verb. So here we are going to use these words in the sentences and just clarify what is the placing of that particular word. It's noun or it's a verb. The two teams have 3 matches already. The two teams have played 3 matches already. The last days was excellent. The last day's play was excellent. In first sentence, played is used as a verb, but in next sentence, play is used as a noun. Now, let's move on the next sentence. She has a lovely face. India, a number of problems these days. India is facing a number of problems these days. Or we can use India faces a number of problems these days. In first sentence, face is a noun, and in next sentence, faces is a verb. He made his, in English writing. He made his mark in English writing. Articles sold are reserved. Articles marked sold are reserved. The police are this area to catch the burglars. Burglar is a crooked person. The police are combing this area to catch the burglars. As are is already given, so we'll use ing form. An ordinary plastic cost 5 rupees. An ordinary plastic comb cost 5 rupees. He gave up in answer to my question. He gave a smile in answer to my question. We also to see him smile. We also smiled to see him smile. When we saw him smiling, we also smiled. In first question, smile is used as a noun, and in next sentence, smiled is used as a verb. He said he to be invited to the party. He said he hoped to be invited to the party. We gave up of his joining the party. We gave up hope of his joining the party. The boys put up a good athletic. The boys put up a good athletic show. The soldiers great courage in saving people from flood. The soldiers showed great courage in saving people from flood. In first sentence, show is used as a noun, but in next sentence, showed is used as a verb. You deserve a on the back of your good performance. You deserve a pat on the back of your good performance. The teacher, the child on the back to encourage her. The teacher patted the child on the back to encourage her. Thank you. Have a nice day.